Alright, so you can see that I'm in the middle of a painting, so I'm going to finish up the whole details, and stay with us. You can see the whole process. So in the beginning I'm going to do the details for the houses. So you can see that the white shade is here for the houses. Now I'm going to take a darker color and put a border for the roof lines. Okay, putting the borders. Mhm. And here you can see the border lines. All right, few shades you can just put here, like these ones, like the racks, so few steps like the racks coming from the top, which is using as a shading. So the rooftop you can see looks more lively and details. Okay, then we take a little bit color again, and we're going to draw another lining here coming to the bottom. It's going to be little bit darker. Mhm. And another one like this. Okay, so for the pitched roof we're going to draw this type of roof liners. Now I'm putting some the dots of the colors with the tip of the brush to outline the dark outline of the pitched roof here, and putting the line here like this. Okay, few lines like I'm drawing right now, you can see here. Okay, all right. And maybe one window I'm going to draw here. Awesome. In this side, this is the front, so we're going to put the windows and doors at the same facet. So this is the window, and the door is going to be like this here in the front. Okay, all right. And few ups and downs in the ground level for more realistic approach. Okay, and another border line you can see here. All right, so there's the usual outlines for the houses. Mm-hmm. And putting all the shades here. Okay, now I'm going to draw two of the darks here. So in the water you can see the dark, it has a feather, white color feathers here. Like this, feathers are white color, and usually they swim around the water. Okay, and it has a head and long neck, curvy neck. So you can see the ducks here. All right, they love to swim on the water because this is the only bird which is domestic and just play in the water. Okay, and the bird may be here. I'm going to draw, and also that is on the water. And if you can see, the reflections on the water just prevails. Okay, so same types of reflection, we're going to put some white reflections on the water. So two of them, they are just playing in the water. And for this one, let me put little bit more white so that it becomes nicely visible. All right, for the sky, we're going to put a moon here on the top. Just put a round circle and the moon is done. So the environment is looks like a kind of dreamy environment. You can see some dots for the sky and the stars in the sky that defines lots of stars. Some have the reflections on the water too. Awesome. Okay. For the trees here along the house, let's draw some lines. Just put some random uh, black lines to define the lines of the trees. So as you know, these are the taller mountain trees, so that's going to be the straight lines for the jungles here. Okay, and for the details of the tree, you can see we just put something like this just to show the taller pine trees. Awesome. Some details you can see here too. Okay, so this is the usually I represent the whole drawing here. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.